Till now, I had taught you some geometrical figures like point, line segment, line, ray, concurrent lines, collinear points, and non-collinear points, even parallel lines. Now, we know how to identify the parallel lines, intersecting lines, collinear points, and non-collinear points. Now, let me see how do you remember or how much you remember till now whatever I taught you. So, here is the one question for you. Match the following. Now, some figures I have drawn here, and now while teaching I had told you how to identify each figure. Okay. So now let's see this first figure. This first figure is of, here both sides arrows are there. That means this is the figure of which figure? Yes, this is the figure of line because it shows the arrows to its both directions. So this is a line. Okay. Second figure. See, observe this figure. Here both sides dots are there. That means here end points are there. That means this is the figure of line segment. Yes, because it has two end points. Line segment, it has two end points. So that is the line segment. Then this is the third figure. What is the third figure? What do you see in the third figure? Yes, this is the, here flat surface is there. That means a flat surface is known as the plane. Yes, this is the plane. And the last figure, here you can see the starting point is there and only one side arrow is there. That means this is a ray. This figure is of a ray. So I can join this figure to the ray. So here like this you can identify any figure. If the both sides arrow, that means it is a line. Here both side dots are there, that means it has endpoints, line segment. Then this is the figure of plane and this is the figure of ray. Okay. Now see here. Now this figure, along with this figure, I had told you about the concurrent lines or collinear points and non-collinear points. Now, one more question I can give you on that. You have to identify whether the points are collinear or non-collinear. So this is the first figure. This is, here I can give point P, Q, R. Here point A, B, C. Now just tell me, in this first figure, these 3 points, are they in a same line? Yes. If I join them, then they are in the same line. They are lying on the straight line. That means they are collinear points. Am I correct? They are collinear points. And here, this point A, point B, point C. Can I draw a single straight line which can pass through point A as well as point B and point C? No, we cannot draw a single straight line because they are not in a single line. That means they are non-collinear points. They are non-collinear points. Okay. So this is the difference between the collinear and non-collinear points. Then, what more things I had taught you? Okay. What do you remember about that? Intersecting lines and parallel lines. Intersecting lines and parallel lines. So how to identify this? Now let me draw 2 figures. You have to identify whether the lines are parallel or whether the lines are intersecting lines. Okay. Okay, this is the one figure and this is the other figure for you. So here I can draw the lines. These 2 one, this is, okay, this is the first figure and this is the second figure. Now tell me, first, in the first figure, what do you see? Whether the line meet to each other? Here it can't show, but if I extend these two lines to this direction, but at some distance they will meet to each other. That means they are which type of lines? They are intersecting lines. They are intersecting lines. In the second figure, just see, observe this figure. Here you can see that both sides arrow, and these two lines, will they meet to each other? No, they can't meet to each other. That means they are parallel lines. Okay, students. So now you can, like this, you can remember the difference between intersecting lines and parallel lines, even collinear points and non-collinear points, and you can identify the different basic geometrical figures, that means point, then line segment, line, ray. Okay, so till now we have learned so many things. I hope you remember all that, and you have to revise the videos again and again. Then only you can remember the each figure, geometrical figure, very clearly. Thank you.